Hey peeps! So I recently went on a home tour series in the West End neighborhood of Atlanta. It's called the West End Tour of Homes, and they offer it, I believe, once or twice a year, where you can explore the homes of people in this neighborhood. And when I tell y'all that I was overwhelmed with inspiration, it's an understatement. I mean, look at this tub. It is absolutely stunning. The coffee off the charts. So people in the community open up their homes and you're able to tour them and get a look at how they styled it, and just get inspired. I mean, look at this beautiful art. It's stunning. The homes were so unique. I think I toured over 8 to 10 homes, maybe even more than that. And each one was beautiful and unique in its own right. I mean, look at this outdoor space. I'd never leave the house if I had this. Look at that. I mean, they're all beautiful. And I had to show you these floors. I hope this video inspired you. Check out your city. There may be some neighborhoods that offer home tours. It's a great way to get inspired and meet new people in your community. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, Reflection Design, for more decor inspiration.